Hi everyone! In this video, we show you how to bring back the status vertical style in WhatsApp latest updates. First of all, you need to open the WhatsApp application in your mobile device. Here, what you need to do is tap on the update option from the bottom right corner. When you open it, you will also see channels options on the screen. This is the latest update of WhatsApp that has merged statuses and channels. Tap on any of the channels from here and you will see three dots on the top right corner. Tap on them and then tap on the unfollow button. Again, tap on unfollow option from here to confirm it. Repeat this process for all the available channels that you are having on your screen. Once you have unfollowed all the channels, you'll be able to see the status in vertical style again. Thanks everybody for watching. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. Goodbye.